The Air Jordan 40 arrives as a milestone release, honoring 4 decades of Air Jordans with a mix of heritage and innovation. Its classic colorway sold out instantly, and excitement grows for the blue suede and dusty rose editions. Adding to the hype, Nike's Elite Youth Basketball League revealed an exclusive player edition, designed with premium white and cream leather, reflective details, and grape-purple EYBL branding. The design also nods to past Jordans, such as the 5, 13, and 3, while introducing modern performance updates like ZoomX foam and Zoom Strobel cushioning. Finishing touches include a burgundy tongue lining, semi-translucent midsole, and a purple Jumpman outsole. Unlike the general releases, this EYBL version won't reach retail shelves, reserved only for league participants and Nike insiders. This exclusivity, combined with its bold details and storytelling, cements the Air Jordan 40 status as both a performance shoe and a collector's treasure.